Hi everyone, welcome to today's class. Today we have a very nice algebraic equation, a very nice algebraic challenge on the board before us. The question is a to the power of 3 times b to the power of 2, bracket open 2b minus a, close bracket, equal to a to the power of 2 times b to the power of 4 minus 36. What are the pairs of a and b that will satisfy this algebraic equation? So if you're new here, this is Onlinemaths TV, where we roll out solutions to tough mathematical challenges, even to simple mathematical challenges, in a step-by-step manner. We guide you on how to solve tough INO mathematical problems. So if you've not subscribed, do it to subscribe, and when you subscribe, turn on the bell notification button so that you'll be among the first to get our solutions whenever they are rolled out. So let's go into today's challenge without much waste of time. So yeah, we take the first thing first, which is our solution. All right, so see what we do here. No need writing this question first. So, but the number one thing I'm going to do, I want to use this quantity outside here to open everything we have inside the bracket. So if we do that, this will give us here our 2 a to the power of 3, okay, for this, then b to the power of 3, then minus, we use this to open up this to have here a to the power of 4, then b squared, everything equal to our a squared b to the power of 4 minus 36. Now I want to move this to this side and move every other 10 to this other side. So we're going to have this to be your 36. It will now become positive, right? Then we take this to this, then this is equal to your a to the power of 2, b to the power of 4, minus 2a to the power of 3, then b to the power of 3. Again, then this one crosses to this side, turns to plus a to the power of 4, b to the power of 2. I hope there's no problem here. All right. So what we do here now, all we need to do, we have to look at, because we have a to the power of 2 here, we equally have a to the power of 2, and we can equally factor out a to the power of 2 here. So we have here 36 is equal to, here, let's factor a to the power of 2, b, we have to the power of 4 here to the power of 2, so we can bring out b to the power of 2 here too. So b to the power of 2 is common to everything to here. So if we use this to divide this, then here we are left with our b to the power of 2, then minus, okay, we use this to divide this, we are left with our 2, then a, and then b, okay, then plus, if we use this to divide this, this will give us a squared, okay, close bracket. Okay, now from here we look at this again. If you look at this expression inside this bracket here now, we have an algebraic identity playing out here. Remember that if we have bracket your x minus let's say your y, okay, or squared, this is equal to bracket your x squared minus 2xy plus your y squared. Okay, remember this? Okay, so if we have this as our algebraic identity, now let's look and compare this with this. We have a similar expression from this place here. So we can express this in this format. So thus, this now means that your 36 is equal to, here we have a to the power of 2, b to the power of 2. Then we're going to have this to be your b, okay, into your b minus our a, close bracket, or squared. So what I have here now is what I've reduced to this format now. Any complaint? All right, if you look at the left-hand side of the expression, this is a perfect square. Okay, so since this is a perfect square, and here we can rewrite this So if we rewrite this one give us 36 is equal to your a b bracket b minus a close bracket all square. What I have here and what I have here, they are all the same. So this is a perfect square. So I can take the square root of both sides. So let's go ahead and take the square root of both sides. I take the square root of this, I will equally take the square root of this side also. So immediately we do that, here we introduce plus, minus. I hope there's no confusion so far. All right. So with our plus, minus, what happened? This we cancel out this. Then this will give us plus minus 6. So we have this to be plus or minus 6 is equal to, we have a b into b minus a close bracket. So let's continue on this side and see what we have this give us. Okay, so look at what we have here now. Let me write my b very well, please. Okay, so from here, what we have here now, we can rewrite this expression in this format. So we're going to have this to be, this now implies that our a, b bracket, our b minus a is equal to plus minus 6. Easy. Okay, so now if you look at this expression very well, we have two cases from here now. So case 1 will take the positive and case 2 will take the negative. So we have here case 1. For our case 1, we're going to have your a b into b minus a is equal to your plus 6, and your case 2, we have our a b into b minus a. This is equal to minus 6. So how do we solve these two? This where comes the beauty of this challenge. All right. Now, if you look at this expression, you discover that the left-hand side is a product of 3 factors. We have a as a factor, b as a factor, then b minus a, another factor. So, and the right-hand side is not equal to 0. So it turns means that your a cannot be equal to b at all. So we can establish the fact that here it means that a is not equal to b. So if a is not equal to b, how do we now get the pairs of factors that will satisfy this expression for the positive and for the negative? So let's take for case 1, which is the positive. So we have here for plus 6, for this equation to hold water for pluses, okay? So we're going to have here your a, b minus a, okay? So let's close this with a square bracket. So what are the factors from this, from the multiples of plus 6 that will satisfy this expression? Before we go ahead to look for the pairs of numbers from this expression that will now satisfy this. So we have the first one that will satisfy this. Here we're going to have 1. Our a could be 1, b 1, then b minus a give us 6. Any confusion? What I just did here is this. If I put in a 1 here, put in 1 here, that will give us 1 times 1. Then I put in 6 here, so 1 times 6 will give us plus 6. Any confusion? Okay, so now what will be the second term here? Another factors here again that can go, we have minus 1, minus 1, and plus 6. If I put this into this expression, it will also give us your plus 6. Another pair again that can go into that will give us your, let's look at this. So we're going to have this to be minus 1, 1, and 6. This, if we put this, okay, this will be minus 6 also. Okay, if we put this into this expression, it will also give us 6. We can equally get another pair from here, which is 1, 2, and 3. If we also plug this into this expression, it will also give us our plus 6. All right, then another again that will give us this, we're going to have minus 1, comma 2, and minus 3. This will equally satisfy this our expression. Okay, we are looking at the product, the three numbers that we can multiply from the plus minus factor of 6. Okay, that will now give us the positive of this first expression. All right, then we can equally get another factor that will satisfy this expression. And what could that also be? That will give us our minus 1, comma, all right, then minus 2 and your 3. Okay, if we put this also into this expression, it will give us positive 6. All right, now let's look for minus, which is for case 2 that will give us the 3 factors. So we have here, let's take that of minus 6, the 3 factors. From here, we have here a, comma b, comma bracket, your b minus a, okay, that will satisfy this. We're going to have here bracket your 1, comma, this is 1 please, comma, the 1, comma, minus 6. If we put this into this system, it will give us minus 6. Okay, so another one again, from here, we can equally have this to be minus 1, minus 6 again. If we equally plug this into this system, this will give us minus 1. Sorry, minus 6. We can equally bring out another factor, which is your bracket, your gotten this, okay? So we have 1, comma, minus 6. This will equally satisfy this expression also. So let's bring out 2 more again. So from here, we can equally have 1, comma, 2, comma, minus 3, comma, bracket, minus 1, comma, minus 2, comma, minus 3. Now, these are some of the pairs or the products, okay? These are some of the products from our case 1 and case 2. From these 3 factors that we will put these into case 1, all this will satisfy this, and for this, it will satisfy the case 2. All right, but how do we now get the pairs of A and B that will definitely satisfy case 1 and case 2? So let's go ahead and bring that from some of these factors here now. So let's continue on this side of the board. So let's go ahead and bring out the pairs of A and B that will satisfy the positive case 1 first. So from here, we now have here A, comma, B. What are the pairs? We have here, from here, we're going to have 1, comma, 3. Okay, then again, we have 1, comma, minus 2. This is minus 2. Okay, comma, we have your 2, comma, 3. Then we have your 2, comma, minus 1. Then, comma, then we have minus 3, comma, minus 1. Okay, comma, we have minus 3, minus 2. Okay, sorry. All right, now these 6 pairs, if you put them into this expression here, they will give you the positive for this part here. Okay, give you positive 6 for this part. Let's go ahead and bring out the pairs of A and B that will now satisfy the case 2, which is the negative 6. All right, so from here, we equally have this for case 2. We have 3, comma, 1. Then we have 3, comma, 2. Then we have bracket, your minus 1, 2. All right, so let's still bring out more again from here. There we equally have minus 1, minus 3, okay, comma, minus 2, 1, and lastly, we can equally have minus 2 minus 3. All right, so here, from here down, this will give us the positive for case 1, and these ones will give us the negative for case 2. All right, so these are the pair about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of A and B that will satisfy these nice algebraic expressions. All right, so this marks the end to this nice algebraic expression. If you have learned something from this solution, then give the video a thumbs up. And if you know or you have a better way of solving this challenge, then drop it in the comment section. And again, just drop a comment in the comment section. It could be thanks, Jay. It could be well done for what you're doing. Okay, we are open to corrections, to criticism in any form, because it is on that ground that we can actually learn and also amend our ways. There are some videos that I actually produced, and some persons pointed out some little errors. I have to take down such videos because I don't want to mislead anyone intentionally. Okay, so thank you for always be there. You have been our backbone as far as this channel is concerned. We love you and we keep on loving you till the end of time. Remember, my name is Jakes Anemo and I love you all. Bye for now.